Hello, today I will tell you how to make a strong artificial intelligence. Using the example of searching for a word in the text. During the creation of the algorithm, I used the electrolysis effect. Let's analyze the charge distribution, how it condenses, flows, causes polarization. First, the movement of the current and the subsequent movement of charged particles occurs in a straight line between plus and minus. As a result, the electrical resistance in this place increases. Then the current goes next to the straight line, and a smaller potential difference between plus and minus is required for the same current strength. That is, a connection is being formed. Now in Python, we need to make a working memory that will form a long-term one. When we say a letter, for example, A, we remember the picture A, the sound. Remember the word with the letter A. You will remember the last word with this letter that you were thinking about, a charge condensed on it. Then you will remember the place and time when you thought about this word. What did you do at the same time? Using the example of the line the star did not want to fall, the working memory algorithm works visually, although ideally it is necessary to work on it. For example, to form a long-term memory so that the whole line the star did not want to fall was one node, read in one word. In the proposed algorithm, the letters of the word star are read, each letter is assigned a charge that decreases with time. It is not a time variable that is used here, but the course of the cycle. As soon as the letter of the word star becomes equal to any letter from the line the star did not want to fall, then this word with the number h acquires a charge. Then all the words nearby acquire a charge. This is how memory is formed, and neural connections are built up after the passing charge according to the principle of electrolysis. Using this algorithm, you can create a simple and effective strong artificial intelligence. But why? What would you do if you knew how to make a strong artificial intelligence? Throw links right in the comments.